Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you are returning. If you are new, my name's Nodreen K. I upload about 3 videos a week, normally on the topic of career in marketing, fashion and lifestyle, so vlogs. So if you like the sound of that, make sure that you first of all, before we get into this Zara haul, subscribe and then come follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I have styled these outfits up. So, getting straight into the video, I made a huge Zara online order and I basically am starting to transition my wardrobe from summer into autumn. Annoyingly enough, this is like one of the hottest weeks we've had in the year in the UK, so it's going to be a bit of a slower transition, but basically I say that to say I've got loads of other Zara hauls coming for you because I didn't want to pile everything into one video. So this will be all batch number 1 and then there's about 3 more to follow because I know you guys like these. Well, most of you do anyway. So let's get into the first order, which just comes in the normal thing. I'm very excited about this piece because I have nothing like it and I think you guys are going to love it too. So okay, so everything's in a different item. Hold on. So the first item I got was this gorgeous white dinner jacket, as they describe it on the website. So just a disclaimer, in this video there's going to be a part 2 which you can watch right after this. I'm just showing you the items up, giving you pricing and giving you my thoughts, and then in the next video I'm going to actually try them on, style them up, etc. So you get to see them on in the other video, so make sure you go watch that. So yeah, it's just a classic white blazer, dinner jacket, whatever you want to call it. The quality feels amazing and it's like got this very almost satin-esque material on the lapels, but this is gorgeous. It looks like it's very tailored, so that kind of nips in nicely at the waist. And yeah, it's just everything that I love. So I got this in a size small and I got something to pair with it. So let me show you that. Okay, so what that pairs very nicely with is this pair of matching trousers. So I just wanted like a boss suit, so I feel like you just need a power suit in your wardrobe, and I picked up these white pants that just, I guess, standard sort of cigarette pants. I feel like they might come up a bit cropped, especially if I wear heels with them, but this with the white dinner jacket and what I've got to share with you that can go really well with that would just be a banging outfit. So I picked these up in a size medium and they were $29.99. I love how you say dinner jacket because you couldn't wear this to dinner without worrying about getting it dirty, but the jacket was $59.99. This price is all quoted in pounds, by the way. So this is a USA size small. USA and UK size small. And the pants are, or trousers, sorry, are a USA medium and a UK medium. So what would we rock with that, I hear you ask? Yeah, so we have to remember that we're transitioning the wardrobe. So while it is still quite warm, we want to be stylish, but we want to be weather appropriate. And therefore, this bad boy. So this is just a black, it's kind of like a woven sort of look, ribbed crop top. And what I love about it is it's got this customizable strap here, so you can just tie this any which way. So just imagine this on the inside of that white blazer, the pants, some black strappy stiletto heels, and I have the perfect pair also from Zara. And you are just killing it. And also this is something that you could rock with loads of other outfits in the summer. And I've got some options for you. So this was $12.99 and I got it in a UK and USA size small. And it's just, yeah, I feel like you have to be very careful with this one because one bad wash and it is ruined. Like the way that it's been woven. The fabric's very heavy, but the straps are, they don't seem that supportive. So yeah, but I just thought this would be the perfect combo. So make sure you watch the next video so that you can see how I style them up and how it all looks. What I also love for that top is this pair of mid-rise skinny jeans. So here I'm thinking, you know, you've got the mid-rise skinny jeans, you've got some like big, huge, like massive statement gold hoops in, and you've got a lovely pair of sandals, a little woven like basket bag for the beach. You are ready to go. So it's very much summer friendly. However, I'm going to show you something else that you can wrap on over the top to make it work. So, but yeah, back to these mid-rise skinny jeans. They are like mid-rise, I guess it's like just cropped basically. They were $25.99 and I got them in a UK 10 and a USA 6, which is also a Europe size 38. And they just look like that. I don't normally do light wash denim, but I would probably rip these or distress these somehow just to add something extra to them, because generally speaking these tend to make me look very wide around the thigh area, and the type of looks that I tend to pair them with, sometimes it just doesn't work. Sometimes light denim doesn't work for me unless it's got rips in it. So I don't know, does anyone else like that? Let me know. So yeah, love that. They've got a nice, I love it when jeans have these like little stitched on decals, I don't know what you want to call it, but it just gives it like a Levi's feel, because it makes you feel like, oh, what brand is that? It's Zara. So yeah, love these for pairing with that black top. But if you didn't want to wear just the little bralette and jeans and you wanted to be transitional, for all my transitional queens, I picked up this. So I'm all about picking pieces that you can make loads of different outfits out of. So I picked up this gorgeous like shirt. I've actually tried on something like this from Zara before, but it had like a little bralette that came inside it, which was great in theory but not in practice because the bralette wasn't the right sizing. So yeah, anyway, enough about that. But if you follow me on Instagram you would have seen it. But I love a like boyfriend shirt, dad shirt, you know. Zara have very much cottoned on, and a lot of retailers have cottoned on to the fact that, you know, women are wearing their male friends, partners, parents in some cases, wearing their clothing because everybody's loving the oversized and very sort of masculine, baggy, undone look. So they've definitely done it with this shirt. It is massive, so you could like, I guess you could do a few things with this. You could wear this as a dress if you wanted to, or just put some leggings in it. And if you stay tuned for later hauls, I've got some options there for you. This is going to be really tough because I'm going to want to keep a lot of this stuff. But what I was thinking for this outfit is you just do this, you do the jeans, you do the this crop top inside, so that if you get hot you can open up a few more buttons and you're still kind of looking a bit modest, and if it's colder you just layer up basically. So I love this shirt. It is part of the Join Life collection. It is so at least 50% of ecologically grown cotton. I don't know what that means. I feel like a lot of people just say stuff for the sake of it. Is it ecologically grown? Do we know? I don't know. I got it in an extra small because, and it's still flipping huge. So yeah, pick the right sizing. So that's a UK extra small, USA extra small. Yeah, and it was $25.99. So those are very transitional. One thing that is less transitional, definitely more for summer, is this really cute dress that I picked up. So I have also tried on something like this, very similar to this in Zara, but what it didn't have is these like really lovely sort of sparkly stitching details on the sleeves or all over it, to be honest. But yeah, it just looks like that. It's a bit of a mini dress. It's got some nice ruching down on the skirt bit, so it really like draws the eye to your hips, your thighs, kind of give you a bit of an hourglass shape, and it kind of cuts in quite nicely at the waist. Very, very v-neck, which is my whole vibe. And it was $49.99, so definitely I would say wait for this one to go in the sale, because that's a lot for this dress. Unless you're wearing it to a wedding or something, in which case fair play, but you can definitely, this will definitely go in the sale, and you can definitely get it cheaper. I got it in a size medium, so that's a USA medium, UK medium. And yeah, I'm really keen to see this on, see if it's very similar to the one I had before. So yeah, I would rock this with a new pair of sunnies that I also picked up. So now you see that there's a whole big batch of stuff that I still have to show you guys. So yeah, so they just came in this little pouch, and look at Zara's sunglass packaging. Can we just have a moment, please? Because wow, it's magnetic. So let me just come in close for you. I had to paint my nails for this video because I could not do the close-ups with what I was looking at before. So these are just a standard sizing. It says M on here, but whatever. $29.99, and they come with a pouch. So I'm showing you all this stuff so that you know why you're paying £30 for a pair of Zara sunglasses. They come with a pouch inside, even though they already come with a case. And yeah, let's get into these. Let's get into these. Now I know Desi Perkins has recently launched her own sunglasses line, and these remind me of that whole vibe. These are, yeah, these are a bit of me. I always try them on my head first because I have a little peanut head, so if they look okay on there, then fine. So let's just try these on. They've got like the tortoise shell look. And these glasses normally never suit me, but because, yeah. I don't know. No, I feel like this is very much like hair half up, half down look, but let me know what you guys think. They might suit you better if you have a slightly different face profile, but I really like how they look. I'm definitely an aviator girl, but I'm trying to branch out when it comes to my sunnies, but I feel like a lot of you guys will really love these. So yeah, that is pretty much everything for this order. I'll be doing another one of these, not next week Sunday, but the Sunday after that, in 2 weeks time basically. But this coming Sunday, I have a collab with a good friend of mine, and we're going to do each other's H&M and Zara order. So it's going to be a separate order from this one. So there's a lot. I've been doing a lot of shopping, so there's lots of exciting stuff for you to look forward to. But I've just also uploaded the try on portion of this video because I don't want it to be too long. I want to keep these short and sharp. So go check that out to see how the items look on, to see how I've styled them. If you want proper full length shots right in front of the mirror so you can see how the outfit like translates to Instagram, definitely come and follow me. I'm trying to get to 10k this year. I'm currently on 1.8 as I make this video, so we've got a bit of a way to go. So all your support is very welcome. But yeah, love everything in this haul. Subscribe if you're not already. More Zara content coming at you, more vlogs. I have a black owned brands haul which features this hair and a very in-depth demo as to how I installed it, what I got. But do check out Arc Beauty on Instagram and go check out some of their units because I love this. It's like, oh, it's everything. It's everything. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be right after this, and then after that it will be Tuesday. Bye.